Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Ubiquiti UniFi controller alerts for suspicious logins step by step clearly. Open your UniFi controller interface. Log in with your admin credentials. Navigate to the settings section in the left sidebar. In settings, look for the alerts option. Click on alerts to access the alert configuration settings. Locate the section labeled user login. Toggle on the alert for suspicious logins. Select the criteria for what constitutes a suspicious login. You can set thresholds for login attempts and failures. Consider enabling email notifications for immediate updates. Scroll down to the notification settings section. Enter the email address where you want alerts to be sent. Choose the frequency of the email notifications. You can decide whether to receive alerts immediately, daily, or weekly. Save your changes by clicking on the Save button. Exit the Settings menu and return to the main interface. Test your configuration by simulating a suspicious login. Monitor your email for the alert notification. Check the UniFi dashboard for any logged suspicious activities. Review your alert settings periodically to ensure effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.